I will talk about how can you enable recommendations notifications on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on this sign down here. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, so you just go down here, you keep going down, you click here on settings here, just click on it. You come to accept here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just come here to recommendations, just click in this sign. Like you see, this color for us, that's mirror recommendations notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.